Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to discuss about array contain function in Spark SQL. So, why do we use array contain function? So, it is used to figure it out that a value is present in a array type column or not. So, it will return true if the array contains the value, and it will return false if the array does not contain a value. So it will going to return either true or false. So suppose our array has a million of records and we want to search one record. If that record will present in that array, the value will be returned as a true, otherwise it will return as a false. So this is the signature of the array contain method. So this is the array and this is the value. In this exercise, what we are going to do, I am going to create a table. So these are the attributes of the table, and when this table will going to create, I will going to insert some record with the help of this insert statement. When all the record get inserted in this table, I will going to write this query. What this query will going to do, here I am creating a CTE. CTE is nothing but a temporary table. I am going to use collect list function. This list will going to create a list by taking all the element, all the data which is present in AP salary column. Once this array list gets created, I will going to use the array contain function and I will pass this array column which we have created here, and I will search for a value. If this value is present in this list, it will going to return as a true, sorry, and if it is not present, then it will going to return as a false. So let's do this exercise on Databricks. Let me create a notebook. Name this notebook as an array contain. To do this exercise, we need a table and we need some data. So we need to create two scripts. One is the table creation script and second one is the insert script through which the data will be inserted in that particular table. So I have created both the tables. So both the scripts, sorry, let me just copy the script. This is the table creation script. Let me copy it and let me paste here. Table gets created. Let's insert some records in it. So I have already created some insert script. Let me copy this insert script and paste in this command cell. Let's run it. Spark will going to execute each insert script one by one. Data is getting inserted. It will going to take couple of minutes. Let's wait till all insert script execute successfully. Okay, so all the insert scripts have been executed successfully. Let's check the data. We can validate these are the same data which we have inserted with the help of this insert script. Now let's use this array contain function. But array contain function, we need to have a array type column. But we can see this table don't have array column type, means array type column. So first let's create a array type column with the help of a collect list function. select star from. Let me format this command cell, and here let me use collect list function, and I am going to pass this AP salary. So it will going to take AP salary, all the data which is present in the AP salary, it will go and it will convert into a list. Let me give alias as AP salary list. Let me run it. We can see this is the column which is gets created with the help of a collect list function. It has all the data which is present in the AP salary column. Let's put this select statement into a CTA. Let me format it again so that the query will be more visible. We can see these are the same data. Now let's use array content function. Array content function and pass this list and say that if it contains this value or not. This value it contains, that's why it will going to return true. Let me run it. It's returned true because this value is present in this list. Now let's search for another one. This value is not present in this list, that's why it's returned false. So when there is a requirement that we need to just figure it out that a particular value is present in a array list or not, we can use array content function in Spark SQL. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.